Hello friends, today I'm busy with this microwave. The microwave, the customer complaint is not heating up. Now I'm putting the cold water so I can test if the microwave is weak, is heating or not. Now unplug it in. Now I'm going to wait for 1 minute so I can see the water is cold or not. It's almost there.
I'm fixing it.
Now it's done. Let me check my water and fill it. It's still cold. So now I see this microwave doesn't heat. So now I'm going to show you where do you check. Firstly, you have to unplug the appliances before you attempt working and discharge the capacitor. That is a capacitor. Now I'm going to take this screwdriver and then discharge. So I'm connecting the screwdriver with the terminals, and also with the body of the microwave. I know sometimes others, the way they test, they put the pliers that have a rubber. But this is how I discharge this one. The other one, they put the pliers like that, and so that when it's sparked, then the capacitor is discharged. But the way I discharge that way. So now I'm gonna start with this high voltage fuse. That is a number 1 suspect. This is a high voltage fuse. So the rating that I must get is continuity or the number. If I can't find continuity or number, then I know it's faulty, so I can replace it. So that will be because the microwave is not heating. Now I'm going to number 2 suspect. So I found the reading on high voltage fuse. So now high voltage fuse is fine. Now I'm going to test the high voltage diode. So in this diode, I should not get any reading, any sound, no continuity. So this one is also perfect. It's not faulty. So now I'm going to test the number 3, the third suspect. Or sometimes I won't even test the third suspect, because I will just replace it. Because if these 2 are fine, then obvious this is a faulty, then I have to change the magnetron. Others, they said it's a heater, so I must test the heater. So now I have to open that these screws so that I can put another one. This is another one that I'm going to install it there and replace with that old one. Now I'm going to remove the old one and put that one. So now I'm done to this one is the old, and then this is the other one that this one is a replacement. So I'm going to put this one here, and then I see the tapes on this wire. I think the owner tried to fix it. and then it failed. So I think these wires are broken. So then now it's connected then, and then when you connect, make sure the wires are not closer to the fan, or maybe stop the fan to run. So must give a space for the fan. So now I'm going to put this water again and then check if it's heating or not. Let me put proper. Now I'm waiting for all the microwave so that I can test I can check and feel the water if it's hot or cold. Sometimes when you test the magnetron, the meter would say it's fine, but it's not fine, so it's damaged. So now the microwave is done testing the water. Boom, the water is hot. So the problem was a magnetron. So now the water is fine. Then I will call the customer to come and collect the microwave. So don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, check on me on Facebook, and follow me on TikTok to get more videos. And then you can also ask the questions. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.